Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang problem natin ngayon ay mula sa EE Board, October 1997. The problem state that 4 different colored flags can be hung in a row to make coded signal. How many signals can be made if a signal consists of the display of one or more flags? So, the keyword in the problem ay yung ating last na phrase, one or more flags. So, at least one o yung lahat. So the first step is assume for the variable. So let n is equivalent to the total number of signals. N1 is the number of signals for one flag, N2 number of signals for two flag, N3 number of signals for three flag, and N4 number of signals for four flag. And N is equivalent to the total number of signals. So meaning we will sum up all the signals if we use only 1, 2, 3, or 4. So n is equivalent to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4. So this is our general equation to get the total number of signal. So sana naintindihan yung ating paliwanag para makuha natin yung total number of signal. So ang una nating hanapin, so yung ating N1, number of signals for only one flag used. So N1, okay, mula dun sa ating pagpipilian, total number of flags ay 4. So mayroon tayong 4 signals. For 2 flags, so N2, so equivalent to using the fundamental principle of counting. Sa una, mayroon tayong 4. So, doon sa pangalawang flag, since nagamit na yung isa, 3 na lang. So, equivalent of 4 times 3, so 12 signals. For N3, so again, using the fundamental principle of counting, sa una is 4, sa pangalawang flag, 3, pangatlo ay 2. So, a total of 24. Then, sa N4, yung lahat ng flag ginamit, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, so equivalent of 24 signals. Okay? Ayan. Pwede nating plug in yung ating mga signals para makuha yung ating total. So, N, so equivalent to N1 is 4 plus 12 plus 24 plus 24. So, total of 64 signal. So, yun yung ating sagot for this problem. Okay? So, finalize lang natin yung ating sagot. There are 64 signals can be made if a signal consists of the display of one or more flags. Ayan, that's all. So, I hope natutunan nyo kung paano kunin ang sagot sa ganitong klaseng problem. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para masubaybayan yung aking future videos regarding this kind of problems and more mathematics problem. Thank you.
Pinoy Bex.